welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the 2017 Lexus NX 300H, a luxury hybrid SUV that blends stylish, comfort and fuel efficient. Like a front design, headlight a project Avancino with daytime running light and have a fog light. Front sensor have full sensor for safety and great design making front chromium with 3D design. It's a really luxury design. Wheel size is 18-inch alloy wheel, and the mirror lighting left front automatic. Top frame design making chromium. Body style is SUV with grey color, no accident, no damage, no scratch. And this car have a keyless entry. If you want to lock, you can touch in here. And if you want to open, you can touch again in here. Red design giving a premium look. Spoiler have a brake light, tail light making LED, and have a chromium light. It's a really luxury. And parking sensor have full sensor for safety. So let's go to see Citroen. Citroen is a really wide speed. You can put big 3 luggage in here. And if you want to more cargo space, you can put down the rear seat. So let's go to see interior. You will be greeted by a luxury interior cabin with high quality material. Seat design making up sport design with wine red color and can adjust electric. Front console making black color with soft texture and have a mid console. Mid console you can control with mouse tab, can play music, CD, and navigation, and can control with Bluetooth. And here have a air conditioner control. You can control left and right, 5-speed, directional move, and auto move. Gear is CVT automatic transmission, and driving mode have a full mode, eco mode, sport mode, popular mode, and EV mode. Steering wheel is a multifunction steering wheel. You can control volume up and down, speaker command, phone picker and pick down. And have a cruise control with pattern shift and have a more roof. Here you can put 2 cards in here. Can open. You can save many documents in here. So let's go to see rear interior. The design is also luxury and comfort. My legroom and my headroom is really wide space. And seat design making wine red color and can sit 3 person and have an ISO fit for children. Here you can down, can open. You can put 2 cards in here and have an air conditioner. It's a really fresh. You see. It's a really luxury and comfort, perfect for daily drive. So if you like this car, you can come to Opera Thailand, can test drive. We will support you here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.